But I'm really excited now if we're moving into the second part of this workshop. So thinking now, we've had hints of people applying this framework in practice, but really now in this next part is a much deeper dive into how people have taken this approach and really engage with it and try to use it to understand both quantitative and qualitative kind of assessments of energy poverty, but also links to other aspects too. So as before, 4 speakers in a row. Hopefully everyone's warmed up now, so get your questions in as we go along, and then we'll have the same short break and a Q&A. So our first speaker is Chiara Grassini. So we're going down to Italy now. So the floor is yours, Chiara.
I share my screen. Okay. Good afternoon. Today I want to describe the methodological aspect of my research focused on energy poverty as a capability deprivation applied to the Italian context with a case study on the social housing sector. As we know, energy poverty is a growing social problem affecting not only the developing country, but also the developed ones. About 50 million European citizens live in energy poverty, with a high concentration in Central, East and Southern member states. However, the main measure focuses on the ratio between energy expended on household income. Energy poverty goes beyond the lack of monetary resources. It is a multidimensional phenomenon involving simultaneous deprivation. To conceptualize energy poverty using capability approach allow to emphasize the role of the access to energy service in achieving socioeconomic well-being, recognize the multidimensional nature of this phenomenon, identify the characteristics necessary to make energy services function to well-being, such as they have to be adequate, accessible, affordable, reliable, and safe, and last, allow to work in different cultural and climatic contexts. Even if the Italian government hasn't adopted an official definition of energy poverty, in the National Energy Strategy, it has adopted a measure developed by Faiella and Lavecchia based on the low income high cost indicator. While this index is of direct understanding, is focused only on the energy affordability. It doesn't allow to grasp the complex experience of energy poor households. According to this index, in 2018, 8.8% of Italian population lived in energy poverty, and the social housing represents the second most vulnerable sector to energy poverty in Italy, because the majority of these buildings were built before the first energy efficiency regulation. Indeed, the Integrated National Energy Plan has identified the energy retrofit of social housing as one of the priority actions to contrast energy poverty in our country. According to the capability approach, my research tries to answer to the following question: how many multidimensional poor families are there in Italy? What are the drivers of this phenomenon in Italy? What is the level of energy poverty in the Italian social housing sector? The operationalization of capability approach required to the research to address the following issue: the choice between capability or functioning metrics, the selection of relevant functional capabilities, the weighting and aggregation problem. The first issue imposed by the application of capability approach is the selection of the evaluation space. However, we should focus on people's abilities. The bulk of literature rely on secondary data that often contain information only on achieved function, so that we cannot measure the capability directly. To estimate energy poverty, we have selected the EUSILC database because it contains information about material deprivation and housing condition. In particular, for the period 2004-2018, we are selecting the following variables: areas on utility bills, electric and appliance ownership, problems with the dewelling, such as lacking of damp and mold, and the ability to keep home adequately warm. To 2012 dataset allow us to complement the variable permanently collected with supplementary variables included in ad hoc module called housing condition, in particular on cooling, that is an essential energy services that is often isn't analyzed due to the lack of data. In particular, we are selecting the following variables. In particular, the willing comfortably cool during summertime. According then, once chosen the variable, the measurement of poverty, in this case energy poverty, requires the selection of identification aggregation method. To estimate energy poverty, we'll follow the dual cutoff identification procedure developed by Alkire and Foster for the identification of multidimensional energy poor household. These steps require to address the weighting issue because several works impose weight of variable in a normative way. To avoid some arbitrary, we'll select the variable weight throughout the principal component analysis or mix the principal component analysis because some of the indicators are dummy variable. Then we'll aggregate information throughout the multidimensional energy poverty index developed by Nussbaumer to estimate the incidence and the severity of the phenomenon at a national level. Once estimate the level of the phenomenon, the next step is the identification of factors affecting the probability of being energy poor. For this scope, we'll use a logit regression using covariates selected in the literature. As mentioned before, the National Energy Strategy has identified social housing as a strategic sector to contrast energy poverty in Italy. However, there aren't in-depth studies on the real diffusion of this phenomenon in the Italian social housing sector due to the lack of data, in particular on buildings. To fill this gap, last year we started a survey in collaboration with the National Agency for New Technology, Energy and Sustainable Economic Development and the local social housing authority of the province of Viterbo. The first step was the construction of an ad hoc questionnaire based on the USILC survey composed by 52 questions focused on all essential domestic energy services, so that lighting, heating, domestic water, cooling, mobility, cooking, entertainment, communication. Due to the COVID pandemic, the survey is still in progress. Until now, we have carried out 118 questionnaires. The preliminary results show that 78% of the buildings are very energy inefficient with problem of lagging roof, damp and mud. The majority of households declare inability to keep adequate temperature in the home, in particular 76% during summer, 68% during winter, but only 16% of households declare arrears on utility bill. Considering the heating and the cooling system, only 38% of the buildings are connected to the gas networks, and the main heating system are firewood and pellet stoves. For the Mediterranean countries, such as Italy, cooling is an essential energy service, but only 28% of the building is equipped with air conditioning. To conclude, capability approach allows focuses on the essential role of energy service on human well-being, shifting the attention from means to people. This theoretical framework allows to extend energy poverty beyond the lack of income and grasping the real deprivation suffered by energy poor households. The preliminary results of our survey confirm the need to intervene in the Italian social housing sector. This sector is strategic due to the serious deprivation suffered by low-income households. Over 3/4 of samples declare inability to maintain adequate temperature in the home, many of which are very inefficient with problem of damp and mud, which are particularly harmful to health. The future steps of our research are build a multidimensional energy poverty index, assess the incidence and the severity of the phenomenon, and calibrate the index relied on logit regression at national level and in particular for the social housing sector. Test steps could help to better evaluate the measure adopted by the Italian government to reduce energy poverty and to better design new instruments to reduce the phenomenon.